Hi everybody, Casey in the kitchen here. Today I get to show you and teach you a little bit more about our Deluxe air fryer. I'm actually going to demo a recipe that I am making, plus then after I get that started, I get to walk through all the different things that the Deluxe air fryer can do. Stay tuned, this is going to be awesome. All right, so I'm actually using an additional piece you can purchase for your Deluxe air fryer. It is the skewer set. So I'm making kebabs, skewers, whatever you want to call it. I love this recipe because you can make it your own. Whatever you want to add on here, you can do that. So here it is all assembled. So there is a spit in the middle here, and then all of the skewers go around the outside. So this is what one looks like all put together. Today I chose to do chicken and onion and pepper. I made it pretty simple, but you can make it whatever you want. So with this, I want to show you here real quick how to put this last piece in. So I'm actually going to put the pointy end down through the hole right here. And then at the top, I'm going to slide this in and then squeeze this together and turn it. So you can see here how that all went together. And that's how all those go in, and I'll go ahead and show you when that comes out. You're gonna squeeze this top part together and turn it, and it'll pop right out of there when those are all done. All right, so let me go ahead and put this in here, get it started so you can see we're using this on the rotisserie setting in our Deluxe air fryer, and then I'll walk you through everything else that the air fryer can do. All right, so I'm just going to set this in here. It has two holes, one on that side and one on this side. So I put one end in, and then actually it doesn't have two holes. It has one on that side, and then the other side is just a little ledge that you set it down on. So now that is able to turn like a rotisserie with that spit in the middle of it. All right, so we're gonna close this up. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off since I'm all done touching the chicken. And with this, all I'm gonna do is turn this dial. So it has all these different settings on here. At the top, there's a button that you push for custom. There's a button for cancel, if you want to stop everything and start over again. There is a button for rotate, so you can choose to have your stuff rotate, such as using our basket that comes with the air fryer. You can choose to have that rotate, or if it's on rotisserie, it already rotates for you. And it also has a button for a light. You could turn a light on while it's cooking. Then down at the bottom, we have 6 different settings. 7 if you count custom, that's at the top. So we can air fry, bake, roast, rotisserie, reheat, and dehydrate. So today I'm going to turn this button until it says rotisserie, select that, and then I'm going to adjust my time down to, it's anywhere between 15 and 17 minutes for this particular recipe. Let's go with 16, right in the middle. It already knows the heat that it needs for that setting, and I just push start, and it starts. So it's gonna do its job. It's in there rotating. I can push this button, we can see the light come on, and peek down in there and see that the whole thing is rotating. It's amazing. Now, let's pop over here to where I have another one set up that we can look through all of that. So when you open up the door of the air fryer, a light comes on. If that light times out, it's super easy. You can shut it, open it back up again. If you leave it open, some of you may have noticed that on that one, the light had turned off while I was getting this started. So your air fryer is gonna come with these 2 trays, just like this. You can bake stuff on a tray, you can make hand pies, you can make your morning toast. We've gotten rid of our toaster. We don't need to use that anymore. This does that. I actually set it to the air fry setting, and we like 4 minutes. It's all how you like your toast. So you can make some delicious avocado toast first thing in the morning. You can bake in here, so any of that garlic bread that you make with your meal, or maybe a side dish, maybe the oven's full. If you're coming up on the holidays, this is a way to have another device to cook something quickly in. So you can use these trays for all kinds of different stuff. Sometimes I'll lay my chicken breasts on here, or chicken thighs, or we've done stromboli on here. We do the toast on here, so many different things. Plus, I'll teach you a little trick, and that is that this has several different settings, places that these trays can go. You can actually order a replacement tray and have 3 trays smushed in there all at once for even more cooking at home if you're trying to do a lot of it. So these just slide right on in there. I gotta get my angle in there right. It also has this tray at the bottom. This is a hand wash only. This is a drip tray. This means it's super easy to clean everything. With these, you can scrub them up, you can put them through the dishwasher. You can also get some really cool parchment paper with the holes in it so that the air can come through. You can get those off of Amazon, and if you need help with that, give me a holler. So the other thing that comes in here is a protection tray that protects the heating element that's in the top of the air fryer. So some air fryers have a heating element in the bottom of it. Ours has it in the top, which keeps it further away from the countertop. I know that's been a problem for some people. So our heating element is actually up in the top, and this tray can come out and be cleaned. You will get some food residue on there, especially if you're using something like our spit. This is the rotisserie spit that also comes with the air fryer. So you can take these ends off here. You can put a whole chicken on here, or I have done chicken thighs where you actually just push the chicken thighs or chicken breasts on here, and you can put this in just like we did over here, where it goes in one side and then hooks on the other, and make that spin like a rotisserie right there in your Deluxe air fryer. So that comes with the air fryer as well. Another piece that comes with the air fryer is the basket. Love using this basket. I love the fact that our air fryer is a door and not a drawer. That means it has more capacity in it. You can hold more stuff, you can cook more at once, and it's a lot easier to get stuff in and out. So with this basket, you can do things like you could do roasted cauliflower in here, and it's gonna spin around on that rotisserie setting. Fries, we do fries at our house all the time in here. You could throw your mozzarella sticks in here if you wanted to. Lots of stuff you can do with the basket, and guess what? That comes with the air fryer. And then it also has this retrieval tool that comes with it. This is great for getting that basket out when it's nice and hot, or for my skewers over here, all I'm gonna do is reach in like this and hook onto that. I'm gonna pull out one side, up on one side that hooks, out on the other, and then slide it out of the air fryer. Super easy to use. Another really cool thing is the fact that we have some other products that can be used in our air fryer, such as our mini cast iron pans. You can use those for little quiches, or a chocolate chip cookie dessert, or a side dish. You can use those right in the Deluxe air fryer. We also have our stone bar pan, the smallest one that'll fit in there, or our 8-inch non-stick fry pan that has the removable handle. All of those pieces and a few others will all work in the Deluxe air fryer. So like I said, you have air fry. I love air fry because it gives it that nice crispy outside without having to deep fry and add all the oil. We have the bake setting. It works just like baking in your oven, except you don't have to turn on your oven, which is awesome. The roast setting. We all know it's a higher temperature. That is awesome to use as well. The rotisserie, we've talked a lot about. The reheat, my family loves that feature because nothing gets soggy like it does in the microwave. And then of course, the dehydrate setting. You can make your beef jerky in here. You can dehydrate your fruits, your vegetables, make veggie chips in here. All of that, super easy to use. I would definitely recommend that third tray for the dehydrate setting so you can have lots of them going at once. It is simply one of the coolest tools out there. Love this power tool. I do so many things in here, from breakfast, snack, lunch, dinner, and even dessert. So let me know what questions you have. I hope this was super helpful. Bye guys.